Apparently spring has sprung because we started ripping our boat apart. I know everybody says that, you know, spring and summer is cruising season, but I guess it is. But for those of us who are doing boat maintenance, the first signs of spring are usually a chop saw or a skill saw or Hi everyone, this is Melanie, my husband Neil, and our son Decker. And that's Bella, our dachshund. We are a normal Canadian family who has chosen to live a non-normal life on the ocean for the past 15 years. Join our family as we restore our ferrocement schooner Kiva, journey around Vancouver Island, and get ready to explore the world. Oh, welcome to spring. Welcome to spring, everybody. Oh, there's our dog. It's mid-April. It's 20 degrees outside. And for the first time this summer, spring, year, we have all the tarps off. And that's when you realize how much junk you've been storing underneath the tarp. Which is
an immense amount of crap.
The junk that you see in our boat. What are you barking at? Go play. Why are we moaning and groaning about this?
Because we've been hiding it for 4 years and now we have to do something about it.
Well, not 4 years, a couple of years. So.
Wow! This is what you just discovered?
Yeah. It's not really discovered.
Whoa.
We've always known it was here, buddy. We just took the cover off. This is the space underneath is empty. It's not used for anything.
Well, there's gears under here that have to be fixed too.
Yeah, that's true. There's the pulleys for that outdoor steering helm run underneath that wood, and then under the cabin and down.
Safer.
Yeah.
This is like,
yeah, you can see we put tape.
not only us, the old owners.
Yeah, everybody has put duct tape. There's a crack under there to just try and deal with it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, I know, but you know, this is one of those. I was gonna call it a pandemic box. Wow, there's a coin of phrase of the year. Help me out. Pandora's box. All right, well, if you want to do it, let's do it, I guess. I'm feeling brave, so.
But once we start, we can't stop.
Yeah, I know. And this is how you operate. I'd be happy to stick my head in the sand for eternity about this, but I know. Oh! I don't know if Oh, God. Spring has begun. Hey, look, we even get a mushroom. Awesome.
There's your pulley.
There's an old speaker.
The good news is there's a frame here. Yay!
Is there a frame?
Yes.
How does it look? Rotten.
Rotten too.
Yay. Okay, Decker, watch out. Dad's throwing rocks. What's wrong?
I just want to
You what?
see.
You want to see? Okay.
This how down it is? Why don't you dig deeper?
Well, we're probably going to have to, and we really don't want to.
Are you going to have to dig all the way to the bottom of the ceiling?
Yeah, probably.
Oh, darn it.
Okay, you can sit there, but you got to be careful, monkey.
Darn it, that speaker. That speaker is junk.
Wow, that's a really nice chisel.
morning.
Was it ours?
Nope. It is now.
It is now.
There's so many poop around.
That would be the dog.
Oh.
Holy moly.
Smells like sewage.
Apparently we fed our dog something funky because holy mackerel.
Decker did.
No, I think it's a dog. Did you poop? Are you a stinky bum? Or was that you?
Not really.
Was that you, stinky bum? Oh, it is. She running away. What do you think, people? Would you want to be our neighbors between the dog, the child, and the construction work?
It's about to start.
It's about to start. I tell you, there are times we are the most popular people in the Bay.
I actually don't think it is as bad as it was made out to be. A lot of things that, like, I mean, we knew that have been left for a long time because, yeah, I think we can fix this up nice.
Okay. Apparently spring has sprung because we started ripping our boat apart. I know everybody says that, you know, spring and summer is cruising season, but I guess it is. But for those of us who are doing boat maintenance, the first signs of spring are usually a chop saw or a skill saw or something, and then garbage bag after garbage bag of old wood and debris going to the dump. So that means it's spring, and I am definitely nervous of this project. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm usually nervous of the projects, and then somehow Neil just makes it better, and he just does it. And he's totally nervous because he says he never knows what he's doing, and you know what, even if he doesn't, it doesn't matter. He just does it anyway. So I hope you enjoy the episode. Follow along, because this summer, man, there is going to be a lot of construction, a lot of renovation, possibly a few tears on my part. Won't be the least bit. Yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, join us. Thanks, everybody.